Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Aukey 20,000 mAh Powerall external battery charger. But before we do that, shoutout nga pala sa kumpare ko na si Paul Bergola who recommended this brand to me. Okay, so let's start. Kapag binuksan mo siya, ito, may tab dito. So you just need to lift this tab here para ma-unbox siya. Tapos, ayun, buksan mo yung box. Alright, so ito, meron siyang warranty card. I think you're supposed to fill up the information inside. Ayun, dito, may mga blanks dito. Fill up mo lang siya and then I think ipapadala mo siya or email, I don't know. Ayun, tapos meron siyang user manual. Okay, so basahin natin. The user manual is in 6 different languages, which are English, Deutsch or German, French, Spanish, Italian, and Japanese. So, sabi dito, what's in the box? The power bank itself, Aukey Pb-T10 Powerall 20,000 mAh external battery, a USB charging cable 20 centimeters, and this particular instruction manual. Okay. Sabi dun sa product diagram, meron siyang dalawang USB output, a flashlight, a micro USB input, a lightning input for iPhones, and ito, on top is the power button. So ito mismo yung power bank. Now if you lift the tab here, nasa ilalim niya yung USB cable. Alright. Okay, so paano ba binubuksan to? Paano ba ino-on tong Aukey power bank na to? So ito, kung makikita nyo to, mayroong button dito. Ito yung power button. So you just need to press that. And you will see na green yung light. And then, isasaksak mo dito yung iyong USB cable. Now, this particular end na to, itong end na to, pang Android siya, no? But you can also use lightning cables for iPhones. Alright. So, pag ganyan, pag sinaksak mo na yung phone mo dito sa USB cable, pwede ka na mag-charge, no? Depending dun sa required charge ng phone nyo, you can charge about, I think, mga 5 times, no? Now, what's cool about this power bank is it has a flashlight also. So, pag tinagalan nyo lang yung pindot na ganyan, ayun, makikita nyo na nag-a-activate yung flashlight. Bahin natin yung angle para makita. Ayun. So, that's an LED light there. Flashlight siya. Ayun. So, pipindutin mo lang ulit yung power button here sa ibabaw. Itong power button to deactivate the flashlight. Itong ano na to, itong indicator light na to, nag-iiba-iba siya ng kulay. Ang sabi sa user manual, kapag yung light niya ay naka-green, gaya ng kanina, ito, the way you check it is you press the power button again, like that. Kapag naka-green daw siya, ang sabi ng user manual ay it's at 30 to 70%. Now, this light turns into white. Nagiging white siya, no? Kapag yung battery pack mo ay nasa 70 to 100%. Tapos nagiging pula naman siya kapag 0 to 30%. Ibig sabihin 30% and less, nagiging red light siya. So, kailangan mo nang i-charge yung power bank. Okay? So, para malaman mo yung charge, kung gaano pa siya karami, ipindutin mo lang siyang ganyan. Ayun, makikita mo na medyo nagdi-blink siya slowly. It's at green, so So that means our power pack is at between 30 to 70%. Alright, so there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification icon for new videos. So thanks for watching and peace.